Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to deactivate a straight talk line online and are unsure where to begin, do not worry because the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people log into their straight talk account but cannot find line management settings, while other times they are unsure whether deactivation happens immediately or after service ends. Since removing a straight talk line may affect service, billing, or device usage, following the right process can help avoid unnecessary confusion. The good part is that with a few careful steps, managing a straight talk line online can feel much smoother than expected. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to deactivate a straight talk line online. To try these. Step 1. Open the phone or computer and sign in to the straight talk account, managing the line carefully. Step 2. Go to account or line settings inside the straight talk account before making changes. Step 3. Select the specific line connected to the straight talk phone that you want to deactivate. Step 4. Review available options in the Straight Talk account related to line management or service changes. Step 5. Follow confirmation instructions shown for the Straight Talk line and review any important details carefully. Step 6. Recheck the Straight Talk account again.